Welcome Babugeli. Welcome with xhosa TV predictors. Today we'll have quick 5 to 6 odds. We'll start in Sweden. Defos is versus IFK Narokoping. They just say first half, handicap both 1 goal to Narakoping. The second one is SK Sirius versus Elfsborg. Again, they just give handicap of 1 goal first half to Elfsborg. Another one is Broma versus Göteborg. Just give another handicap of 1 goal to Göteborg. The second league is Turkey. Just give us a handicap of 1 goal to Galatasaray versus Istanbul. Second one is Transport. Just give another handicap of 1 goal to Transport against MKE. We follow with Saudi Arabian League, Altia versus Abba. Just give a straight win to Altia. Another one is in England, Nottingham Forest versus Southampton. Just give a send off no. There will be no red card in that game. Another one, okay. We'll say thanks for today. Thanks for watching. We like you. We love you. Keep